In today's video, I'll show you how to fix wrong deposit details in QuickBooks Online. If you've entered a deposit with incorrect details, whether it's the wrong date, account, or grouped amounts, you can easily review and fix it in just a few clicks. Start by going to the left panel and clicking on Accounting. This takes you to the section where your financial records are managed. From there, open the Bank Transactions tab to view activity from your connected accounts. Find the deposit you want to fix. You can narrow it down by date or amount if needed, and make sure you're looking in the correct bank account. Once you locate it, click on the transaction to expand the details. Next, click the Deposit link. This opens the full bank deposit form where the original entry was created. Now review each field carefully. Check the bank account, confirm the deposit date, and make sure the payment method and memo reflect what actually happened. If the deposit includes multiple payments, verify that each one belongs there and that the total is correct. Update any incorrect customer names, categories, or references. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your deposit has been corrected and your records are now accurate. If needed, go back to your bank transactions or reports to confirm everything looks as expected.